everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a clean and organize with me in my refrigerator because I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store and I like to clean my refrigerator out before I go to the grocery store. But of course I don't always clean it out this extensive, but the reason why I'm doing it, look at that Kool-Aid and waste there. Well, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm getting ready to place the refrigerator liners that I picked up from Aldi in here so that I don't have to clean the glass as often like this. So if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned. First I'm going to take everything out, then I'm going to clean and disinfect it, and then I'm going to cut these down to size. If you haven't watched my Aldi haul where I picked these up, I'll link it in the description box. But these are a 3-pack of refrigerator liners. They absorb extra moisture. They protect against scratches and scuffs. You can cut it down to size and you can wash them. And line your cabinets, refrigerator, under the sink, whatever you want to do. They're kind of thick. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So stay tuned. I'm going to take everything out, then I'll be back. Get ready to clean it. I have my dishwater ran, so I'm getting ready to clean it. Not sure if I'm going to put liners in these door caddies. We'll see. Take everything out. That's what I like about these trays. They're adjustable. So I got some sticky residue in this little tray that I wasn't able to get out, so I'm boiling me some water. I'm going to use that to help clean it. So these are the trays I have out. So this is how they come in a sheet like this. Keep right. So you get 3 of these. So I'm kind of glad they're narrow like this. That way you don't have to do a lot of cutting. So I got that layer. Everybody, I had just enough liners to line everything. So when I say I'm tired, I am tired. It was some hard work. Yes. So as you can see, I already had my containers and everything labeled. I got to relabel them because one of the labels came off. That's the bin for the cheese, and it's the meats. Then I do vegetables and fruits right here. So I'll be back when I put everything back in. Liners, so if I spill some Kool-Aid on this side, I wouldn't have to take this one off. I just take this one off and put it in the washing machine and replace it. Same thing here. If I spill something over here, I don't have to take everything off the top. I just take this one little area off. So that's what I like about these. I like the size of these. So I guess they size them, proportional to a normal refrigerator. So that was smart. Whoever did that. So I like that idea. Down here, if I waste something under there, I just pull the entire thing off, clean it, and slide it back under there. So I like these because they're functional. Refrigerator organization, I like the way it turned out. So let me know in the comment section if this helped to motivate you. Question of the day, do y'all keep the condiments from the restaurants like me? I do. They're great to throw in your lunch bag. I clean it out every so often. I don't let it get old or anything, but yeah, I keep them. So I keep them in this little tray. That way I can keep them all organized. Got my eggs, got my yogurt and jello, got my meats, my cheese, water. And I picked these containers, these clear containers up that I have all this organization from dirt cheap about a year ago. And I got my fruits and vegetables. So I hope this video motivated you on this Monday morning while we're in social isolation. So this is a good time to tackle some projects that you've been putting off. So that's what I'm doing on my off days, because as you know, I'm a healthcare worker, so I'm not truly quarantined. So this is going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. Gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Remember, I picked these liners up from Aldi's for $3.99, and you get 3 in a pack. Have a great day.